Hello again. Day 4. The topic is, I wasted time by not practicing and developing my public speaking. And let me tell you why. Last week, I went on a course, and near the beginning of that course, it was a room full of about 20 adults. We had to stand up, basically introduce ourselves, tell the group what we did, and tell the group something that we were not good at. As we went around the room, I noticed that everybody's skill of public speaking in that room, just to do such a basic and easy exercise like that, was absolutely horrendous. I mean, some of them even said that some of the things they're not good at, well, one of the things that they're not good at is public speaking. Now, this was a subject I did want to touch on in the past. A few years ago, when I was procrastinating on starting a YouTube channel, I interviewed my good friend Vinny, aka the speech coach. I'll leave his details in the description. He basically helps and trains people with their public speaking, and he's good. Anyway, I did a podcast to him, and one of the questions I asked at the time was the fear of public speaking. And I'll show you his response. Have a look at this.
And there's always that fear of criticism. So, like you said, what to say, what will people think? And when we're talking about the topic of what will people think, we're opening ourselves up to criticism.
Yes.
And that's a fear, right? Especially for those who are more reserved.
Yeah. Fear not to do something. Yeah.
So, to conclude, stop being so self-conscious. Practice developing this muscle to improve your public speaking and communication skills. Well, that's the end of my video. I hope I've given you food for thought. And remember, it's a muscle that we need to keep training to become stronger at public speaking and communication. Thanks once again for listening. Have a good day. Ciao.